In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a vaporizer for CBD hemp and other dry herbs. Vaporizing is one of the best ways to consume CBD since it provides the fastest effects onset. First, put the required amount of a dry herb in the chamber, which is connected by a strong magnet. To turn it on, you must quickly press the button 5 times, after which it will blink twice, red and green. After the vaporizer icon remains lit and the temperature reading red, you can set your desired temperature by holding the bottom. The bottom icon also shows you the battery status. If it is fully charged, then it glows green, blue means half discharged, and red vaporizer is discharged. If you want to vaporize at the highest, then after switching on, you don't need to press anything, but only wait until it warms up. By reaching temperature, it turns green. You can vaporize by simply placing this mouthpiece on your lips and inhaling the vapor without pressing any buttons. To switch it off, just press quickly the button 5 times again. In the package, you will also find all the necessary accessories for cleaning the vaporizer. Such as a brush, tweezers, as well as USB charger.